Hello, scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with a fun little design team package share from the Cheeky Studios shop. Okay, so we are just going to jump right in. I already pulled it out of its packaging, and it's all packaged so cute. So first up, she sent me some colorings, which you know I love. Me some good Shimmers Paints products. Okay, I can't really get this open, but anyway, it is a nice, pretty blue. I'm telling you, she packages this stuff good so that if it does, you know, leak or anything, you're not even going to know. See, look, it did leak a little bit, but it didn't get on anything else because she packages it so good. Okay, if I can get this off, I was going to try to spray it so you guys could see what color it was, but it is really pretty blue. So let me get a tag here real quick. Maybe if I can. You can go out, Piper. Go on. Okay, so let's spray this. And that is what it looks like. So it's a nice, kind of like medium blue, I would say. It's a really beautiful color. I love it. Okay, so then let's open this up. And I apologize if you can hear my dog chewing on his bone. I even sent him outside my room and I can still hear him inside here, so I apologize about that. Okay. So, oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay. Look at all this. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm so excited. So let's start off with this ephemera pack. This is one of the new ephemera packs that she has on the website. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I'm going to push this to the side so you can see this. I think I'm going to have this, open this up so you guys can see all of this that's on here. I'm going to wipe this so that it doesn't get, oh, it's already dried. Okay, good to know. Shimmers dries fast on, what is this, silicone? A silicone mat. Okay. So this one is called Ahoy, and it is all boys. So I am super excited. So there's a little treasure map that's so cute. Oh my goodness. And then skull and bones and another seashell. Let's see. A pirate ship. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Ah, look at that. A little, what is it called? Telescope? Oh, where'd it go? Okay, it disappeared. Oh, here it is. A little telescope. And I'll try to zoom you guys in so that you can kind of get a better look at it. Oh, here's a bomb. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. These pieces are just adorable. Holy cow. This parrot. Now I wish that I would have been better about throwing my kids' birthday, like themed birthday parties. Because this would have been so cute to do like a birthday party layout with. I haven't really been very big into birthday parties. Like, I'll throw my kids' birthday parties, but the most we do is just have their friends over for cake and sing. Literally, that's all we do. I'm not one of those themey party moms. Oh, look at that. The little map tied up. I love this. Oh my goodness. I love this. And the stack of bombs, that's awesome. I could probably do like a Mario layout for my boys with that. I think this probably says ahoy. Let's see if I can find all of the pieces. Here's the H. Oh, and here's the little gun. That is stinking cute. Oh my goodness. And a gem. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is stinking cute. And I think that's a dragon, right? Dragon or a crocodile? That's so super cute. And then you've got the hook. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Okay, I love these banners. These are just so perfect. I love it. Love it, love it. Okay, so I'm going to set these down. Super cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it looks like you get 2 of each thing. So you get 2 small stars, you get 2 medium size. And then let's see, little gems. Oh my goodness. So there's the word ahoy. There's some little gems. So you get a couple of those. And then you get 2 of each of the hats. I just love this. Oh my goodness. This is so darling. Oh, okay. And I absolutely know what I'm going to do for one of my layouts, because I don't know if I want to spoil the surprise, but my husband made a treasure map for my boys one night when they were, oh goodness, I don't even know, it was way back in 2009 or 10, and oh my goodness, it was the cutest thing ever. So I hope I can go through my photos and find those photos, because that would be so perfect to use for this collection, having them search through the house. And I think he even sent them outside, and oh, so cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. Isn't this just amazing? I am just so blown away by this. Just amazing. Okay, and look at these cute little pirate boys. Oh my gosh, they're just so adorable. So you get 1 of each of the pirate boys, and there's 4 of them. That's so cute. Okay, so then I'll kind of scoot these a little closer to each other, and I'll pull out these. Let's see, so you get the mermaid tails sequins, and those are some pretty blues, greens, and then it looks like, is it clear? I think it's clear. I'm so excited about this because I just placed an order right before I got this, and I didn't have enough to buy these sequins. So I'm so excited that she included them in my design team package. And then this is the mermaid tails bows. Aren't those adorable? Oh my goodness, I am like dying. You're just so adorable. Okay, and then, oh, look at this. Okay, I'm going to totally open this. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Oh, I love these. Okay, so there's a little pirate flag, then the treasure map, ahoy matey, the pirate ship, and then arg. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, I am so excited about this. I'm gonna put these, oops, I have a stray little number there. I'm gonna put these in here, so then I can just start using them. So I'm gonna spend some time this week trying to look for those photos of my boys searching for the treasure. I'm so excited about that. I totally had forgotten about those photos too until I just got this collection because I was trying to think like, well, what am I gonna do? Because like I said, like I don't really do the theme, you know, birthday parties and stuff like that, because something like that would be perfect for this. Tinian also was really into Jake and the Neverland Pirates, so I could probably go and look for some cute photos of him playing with some of his toys, because he did get, for a couple of birthdays, I think he did get some of those themed toys. But yay, I'm so excited. So this is my design team package for, oh my goodness, I totally almost forgot. Oh, look at that. I love this little sticker. I want to not rip it because I want to use it. Okay. Oops, sorry. Apparently I left my volume up. Okay, so this is so cute. Look at that. Sweet boy, it says. And then, let's see. Let's go. Oh, that's so cute. These would be this one is super thin acrylic. That's really nice. It's a lot thinner than the wood veneer, but I really love both of these. Super cute. I'm so excited. So excited. You don't even know. Okay, I am going to just stick these. Well, maybe I'll put these in here because I don't want to lose those. And I'm going to search for those photos and get started. I hope that you will come back to my channel and see what I make in the upcoming month of February with this new Ahoy collection. Make sure that you use my code, which is Crafty Meggy 10. I will leave a link to the shop down below to cheeky.studio and use my code. And you can purchase all of this stuff in the store right now. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I will be back soon with another video. Bye!